Hey everybody! We're gonna make a cocktail for you guys. It's called the Rising Sun. Stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek Schomer. Ian and Derek are gonna show you how to make the Rising Sun. This is the second Mezcal drink of Mezcal month. This drink is going to be 1.5 ounces of Mezcal, 3/4 ounce fresh grapefruit juice, a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, boom! 1/2 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, a 1/4 ounce of agave nectar, or agave syrup, whatever you want to call it, and a pinch of salt. Very similar to the last drink, but not the same because it's got the agave nectar, it's got the maraschino, so it's kind of like a Dorchester meets the Hemingway Daiquiri. God damn you!
I wasn't there, that's why.
I know. Fuck. Shake it and strain it into a chilled glass. We're going to use a coupe glass available at awesomedrinks.com. All you have to do is use the coupon code MEZCAL and save yourself 18% until September 30th, 2018. If you're showing up a month from now, there's probably a new coupon code. You can always email Derek or not. My Apple TV is pissing me off. But I think I got everything out of the way on that thing. Oh, no, I didn't.
God, I'd love to see a recipe.
Oh, you shit.
I can wing it if you want.
Steven donated.
No, hold on. I'm good. It's coming back. It's coming back.
Come back.
It's coming back.
Jump cut time.
Oh, fuck. Dude, you don't understand. Like, I have saved, like, at least 8 or 10 references of jump cuts for the next years.
Oh, nice. Here's another one.
Jump cut.
Perfect time for a jump cut.
Okay, here we go.
All right. There we go.
The executive producer for this episode is James Willimore, down below. James has gone to patreon.com/CNC like all you guys can if you'd like to help donate to the show so you can help support us making these drinks, taking our time, sometimes even buying ingredients, especially citrus. This Mezcal Coke de Oaxaca, El de Oaxaca, came to us as a tasting sample, so we have a tasting video on it if you'd like to see a wide array of Mezcal drinks. What are you doing? Why are you building that behind your shit?
Well, the wall.
I'm going to get my soapbox out.
The wall grows as I add stuff. And
Not if you put the wall over here.
The wall grows.
Oh my god. My goddamn recipe thing. Did you get the whole recipe?
Yep.
Alright.
I think so. I don't know. Yes, I did.
Oh, I'm going to punch you in the gut.
Okay, it's well padded.
You can always subscribe to the show if it's your first time here. It's there's also like a bell icon you can click on so that you can get email updates when a new episode comes out. Every Thursday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, depending on our time zone. Fucking time zones.
Same day the First We Feast Hot Ones comes out.
At 7:30?
No, it's Thursday.
It comes out at 11.
Yes.
But yeah, it's the same day. Yeah, my hand is still fucking numb from last time Steven gave
We'll use the other one.
10.
Don't be a girl.
Does that work?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Can you? Is that the stranger hand? If you do that?
Yeah, we're gonna do a stranger slap.
The stranger slap. That means you have to slap the other hand though.
Nope.
No?
I can do it.
Really? That's. Ow! Fuck! Yeah, but now you got weird. Let's go back to this one. I just realized something. My this hand doesn't have the same tolerance to pain
No?
as the other hand does.
Yeah, I've numbed your hand up.
So for those like, what is going on? That is what happens every time somebody donates in a live chat. Steven, who also submitted this recipe for us to make, is like, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send him a bunch of Mezcal drinks, then I'm going to donate the shit out of everything so that Derek's hand swells up. But you know what? That's okay, because now I can make my car payment, so it's good.
And you can, yeah.
You got more?
It's all good. Good wash line, huh? That's it.
This drink tastes a little bit more classic without the amaretto mixed in like the last drink. The Luxardo in there gives that earthy taste.
That's better.
Not too smoky. Although this
It's a better
Espadín,
drink, yeah.
this Mezcal isn't a smoke bomb. But I don't think that would make a difference. I think the drink itself is just slightly better. This recipe is a Mezcal-based drink from Portland, Oregon. The restaurant's called Toro Bravo. At least it was when I Googled it, I think. So the entire month, pretty much, is Stephen Foisey and John Spikes, who submits like, I got like 40 Mezcal drinks submitted. It was just, they just kept coming in. So I went through and like, I liked them all. I'm like, oh, I gotta pick ones that I want to like. So I went with the simpler ones.
I'll save it for next Mezcal month.
Right. Or mix Mezcal in every month. like one recipe
Yeah.
in there, and I'll have them.
He is like, yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like
Sounds good. Yeah, mix it. We don't need to do it all night. We can do one a night. It's okay.
This usually doesn't bother you, does it?
No, I like that one. That one's good.
It's got a
That
little.
one's got good balance to the
Yeah,
flavor.
it's
so.
got a sour, but it's not too sour. They're not gonna hear that. Yeah, you actually, you guys will probably hear that.
Oh, they'll hear that. Yeah.
Sour, lime. It's got that mezcal flavor with the maraschino mixed in, a little tad of salt. Not as much salt as the last drink, like the salty nature. You know what?
More?
No, I don't want more. Agave nectar, I think, is the key. Is bringing up the sweet without bringing in the amaretto. I think the amaretto has. I like amaretto drinks, but it wasn't working as well as this does. I think.
And Luxardo's good in this.
I like Luxardo.
Luxardo's really good in this.
Dude, would have never known I would have become a Luxardo fan.
Right? Campari's next. Just wait.
I don't know. that's a harder sell.
It's only a matter of time.
I did.
Tequila Campari drink that I actually.
Yeah, we did have a tequila Campari drink last time. It was good. My two banes when I started the show, really Grapefruit and Luxardo, were like on my list of things not to drink. Campari was there too.
That's still there.
I've changed my ways.
Please.
Come
Come around.
I'm halfway through the power slide.
Is it raining?
No, it's my computer.
Oh, okay.
It's going freaking crazy.
But it probably is right.
Let's see. You got your coupon code. You got your executive producer. Oh, recipe.awesomedrinks.com if you want to find all these mezcal drinks that we enjoy. If we don't like them, we won't post them there. It's a curated website that's just the good stuff. Things that I would love everybody to have. You can search by recipe. You can search by ingredient. And you can even say quantity servings up to 10. If you need more than 10 servings, see your physician.
Your physician?
I said a lot of words there. It's like I can't get all of them right.
If you need more than 10 servings, see your sponsor.
I was going to say that, but I was like, do I do that? And I couldn't remember what they called that person.
Oh, okay.
So
You couldn't think as fast as you were talking, basically. Your mouth was moving faster than your brain.
you're just figuring this out?
Yeah,
I've been
I
like
know
this forever. Not these. The only time it was... Oh, never mind. I was going to say something, but I can't say it anymore. It has to do with where I work now. But if you were to forget stuff while you're talking, it becomes really difficult. When you're saying something and your train of thought just disappears.
Yeah.
If you're fast talking and you lose your train of thought, it gets weird inside.
It's weird inside all the time.
Like when you start forgetting your train of thought while you're talking really fast, you don't know how to come back. You're stuck.
Yeah, I can relate.
You like freeze.
Yeah, because everything you do is really fast.
Yeah, he has to think through just saying prepositions and shit.
I'm like a sloth, only really, really big.
That's Brianna's favorite name.
Sloth?
Yeah.
It's my spirit animal when I did one of those tests on BuzzFeed. Exactly. Anyway, now that I had that much fun, we did everything we need to do. Sidebar.
Bicycle.
Well, no, not bicycles. Sidebar, more videos. Mezcal playlist, tequila playlist below. It's like a mullet of awesome. Down below is our cocktail bartender kit from awesomedrinks.com. When if you use our coupon code Mezcal, you can save yourself 18% on that. And no, we're not gay. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink. Holy shit, your fingers.